Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a great day. Taking a quick look here again at AVAX. Brought a pretty significant downtrend here for this ABC pattern. I think we're getting close to the end. Just tighten this up a little here because really this last little sell-off was unexpected, but also necessary, I guess you could say. It was a true cleansing of a lot of altcoins. Most lower levels of liquidity for altcoins just got absolutely destroyed yesterday. So market movers did what they wanted to. The Asian market opened up and things just went all to hell very, very fast. So we're going to look at some liquidation levels and see kind of where we're at here for AVAX and just generally understand best practice for situations like this. Because again, if it can go wrong, it will go wrong, right, folks? That's generally the concept. If you saw my Bitcoin video earlier today, you'll see by the thumbnail that it was a mind blower, right? This whole weekend was just kind of absolute nonsense. Every single altcoin went down 5 to 10%. Bitcoin dominance shot straight up, and there was really no rhyme or reason for it. Okay, so again, just a cleansing, if you will. So now that we've cleansed our palette, right, or maybe the whales have done so, where are we looking at here for moving forward? Well, let's just quickly note we got some liquidation levels, heavy concentration between 34 and 35. So I'm expecting the price to continue upwards just to destroy any of those late shorts here. Because again, this is what market movers do, folks. They get you to come down to the very bottom here. They get you to this point of pain, and then they get you to flip your mindset. Okay, shoot, I'm going to start shorting now that the price is going down. It's obviously lost its trend line, right? And then the price goes right back up. It destroys everybody that's a late short. So it's a really, really common occurrence here. So I'm not surprised to see a high amount of leverage between 34 and 35 liquidation levels there effectively for some late shorts. Quickly to note here, this is actually a funny thing that one of my admins sent. It was actually quite on the nose here. This is exactly what happened this weekend. Thursday, everything looks good for confirmation. All in, good to go. We even took 3 or 4 long trades ourselves. Small dip, okay, fine. We got a healthy correction. This is normal. And then down here at the bottom, everyone's panicking, considering selling. They sell all their long positions and open up shorts. And then we get the, what the fudge? Okay, yeah, price continues upwards from there. So that's a very good depiction of what's going on in the market right now or what we saw here recently. And it cannot necessarily be like, it's hard to anticipate, okay? Even the best technical analysis, which I've seen, lately here recently, things supposed to be playing out the way they are. It does almost the exact opposite of what you think it should. So just know this is not the friendliest environment to trade in right now. So ever since big money's been involved, it's been a bit of a roller coaster. So patience, folks. Okay, it's okay. Get through this. This is cryptocurrency. It is really common in the industry. Anyways, before we continue, hit the like button down below, please, folks. Really greatly appreciate that. Help grow the channel. Comment below too. Let me know what kind of position you got on AVAX. Did you take a late long, or are you an early short? Where are you at? Hopefully none of the above. I hope that right now you're just being patient and waiting for good confirmation. So take a look here. We can see the point of control in the last, 1 month's worth of trading? Yeah, roughly 1 month since we saw that massive drop down on the 12th and the 13th. We can see $35 is that point of control. So we're going to presume that $35 is going to be a strong resistance. It's also a 0.5 fib level. Nothing's changed there. We're under majority moving averages here. Things are not looking great on the daily time frame. Oddly enough, a lot of coins are looking pretty strong, like Bitcoin and Solana, I think ICP even. They're all looking pretty dominant on the daily time frame, where we don't see that here for AVAX. AVAX has been kind of put through the ringer, so the truth is not a lot of confirming factors here on the daily. Okay, 4-hour time frame could tell us there's a shift in momentum. Let's go ahead and see where we're at there. We're still underneath all moving averages. Most recent point of control under 50 on the RSI, stochastic swinging down. Only glimmer of hope we have here is money flow index increasing. A lot of times this can be like the pretty good catalyst for taking a long position. I would never recommend taking a long right now as is based on what we've seen here so far. But that is a good supporting factor letting us know that people are starting to buy this lower level here and there's more money flowing into the coin. We're starting to see an increase in volume here too, albeit that's natural for a Monday. It's also higher than we've been seeing in the recent past. So again, straight constellation, that's all there is to it. Do not take a trade based on that one metric, but a lot of times when you see money flow index increasing on the 4-hour time frame, and concurrently here on the hourly too, that's generally a good sign. It shows a lot of buying pressure here, which we can see with the added amount of volume here. Okay, so that's one thing. Now taking a look at the cloud, this is a confirming factor. We don't have any confirmation. We're still under the price action for the lagging span. Conversion line is barely above the baseline. That is showing some momentum, but we're still under the cloud. So truth is, until we can get above this 0.618 fib level at about $34 within about 24 hours from now, there's really no reason to consider taking a trade. Okay, so again, folks, this is not ideal trading conditions here whatsoever for this coin more specifically. I would say in general, the whole market, honestly, things have been very nonsensical and quite ridiculous. But again, who's to complain? There's tons of opportunity, tons of benefit if you just look in the right place. And again, you just kind of wait for the right time. Right now, we don't have the right time for AVAX. We see $34, me personally, $34 or higher would be a consideration for a long, pending we get some confirming factors. But we can see here this 0.618 fib level holding like a champ as a strong resistance level for us. Till we can close soundly above that level, there is no reason to take a long position. Also clarifying, there's no reason to take a short position either, because we had a shift in momentum here that's occurred. So there's a strong chance unless Bitcoin dumps, we should be able to see AVAX breach that $34 mark. Okay, so just be patient, folks. That's all there is to it. It's okay. I know patience is a four-letter word for a lot of people, and I oftentimes receive a lot of negative feedback because I'm too patient. But who am I to talk, right? I've only been trading for over 20 years and teaching roughly the same amount of time, and this has been my full-time job for a very long time. So I'm super thankful to be part of your lives. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, follow if you haven't already, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you.